Hi everyone, welcome back. So far, we have covered courses, programs, and learning assignments in Workday Learning. But the real question for HR and managers is how do we know if employees actually completed their training? That's where learning reports and tracking come in. Let's see what is learning reporting in Workday. Workday provides built in reports that track training progress. These reports use employee data from Workday HCM, making them accurate and real time. Reports can show who has completed training, who is overdue, who is still in progress. Let's see what are the types of reports. Learning completion report shows which employees finished their assigned training. Overdue learning report identifies employees who missed deadlines for compliance courses. Certification status report tracks certifications with expiration dates. For example, safety, healthcare, or finance certifications. Program progress report tracks how far employees are through multi course programs. Why it matters. For HR, ensures company wide compliance. For example, data privacy training completed by all managers helps track team development and identify who needs reminders. For employees, keeps them accountable and provides visibility into their progress. For audits, proves compliance with required training. If we take a scenario, a company requires annual cybersecurity training. HR assigns it to all employees. Managers runs the learning completion report to see who completed it. Anyone who missed the deadline shows up in the overdue report. Compliance officers use the certification report to confirm training completion during audits. Let's understand this. If you take these are employees. This is course completion data. We take this as the reports and dashboards. Let's write it down. Employees. These are course completion data. And this is reports and dashboards. This is HR. This is managers. Okay. Yeah. Here how it works. Employees complete their training. That data flows into the system and Workday generates reports and HR and managers use these reports to track compliance, to track their compliance, completion and progress. These reports used by managers to track compliance, completion and progress. I hope you understood. What are the interview questions? How do managers track employee learning in Workday? By running built-in learning reports such as completion or overdue reports to check status. Give an example of a compliance report in Workday Learning. certification status report which shows which employees are certified and when certifications expire. What happens if a course is overdue? Employees appear in the overdue learning report and HR or managers concerned reminders or escalate as needed. Why are learning reports important for organizations? They help maintain compliance, support audits, and ensure employees are completing development and regulatory training. To summarize, Workday learning reports and tracking give HR and managers real time visibility into training progress, overdue courses, and certifications. In the next video, we will dive another type of like learning compliance and certifications in Workday, another critical part of organizational training. Thank you.